I can show you how to play the guitar just like this. My name is Travis Bowman. I'm an international award-winning fingerstyle guitar player, and I'm a guitar instructor. Now, as a solo touring artist, I've been to China, I've been to Colombia, I've been to Dubai, and all over the United States. And I've won notoriety in a few fingerstyle guitar competitions, such as my own state competition 2017. I've won the international fingerstyle competition in 2018, and in 2014 I was named as Ernie Ball's acoustic prodigy. I've been playing the guitar for nearly 20 years now, and with everyday life such as going to work, picking up the kids from school, doing laundry, doing the dishes, it's not always going to be the easiest thing to sit down and to practice at the end of the day. In my private lessons, I like to include a Google Drive folder that's going to be personalized to our lesson together. So let me set this up for you. We're going to do an hour lesson together. We're going to learn a song, and after we get the song down, our hour is over. What happens next? The everyday life stuff, right? So this is what you're going to get in this Google Drive folder. We're going to have performance notes, some handwritten tabs, as well as some slow performance videos of me performing whatever song it is that we covered that day. I like to do this because you're essentially taking your guitar lesson with you, and you can come back to it whenever you see fit. They say practice makes perfect. This is going to make practice so much more accessible for you, which in turn is going to make you a better musician faster in the long run. Now, these lessons aren't going to be specifically tailored to advanced fingerstyle techniques. I teach for all ages, any skill level. As long as you're willing and motivated to learn the guitar, I'm very confident I can teach you. If you're interested in taking guitar lessons with me, I highly encourage you to check out my YouTube channel for more information. There's a lot of free content on there that you might find very useful. Thank you very much for checking out this video. If you're interested in guitar lessons, feel free to shoot me a message or send me an email, and let's get started on taking those first steps to making you a better musician. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.